Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
So I'm about to finish making this with y'all right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it where y'all can see it. It's awkward. I gotta just pour it like this. Now I'm just gonna move some of this out the way. Okay, so we're gonna add the sauce. I'm gonna just put everything back in. Let me show y'all what it looked like before I devour it. Not even as hot as I thought. These are pretty thick. I didn't expect them to be like that. They're not what I thought. So I probably won't be buying no more of those. They're not bad though. I like that. Exactly what I expected with this rice cake. I mean, fish cake. Y'all, I'm so full. I ain't gonna lie, I can't eat all this. I can't. It's like, if I eat some more, I'm gonna stuff myself, you know? I don't wanna do that. I still got a lot left. I'm done here. The spice level, y'all, is about, I don't know. I can't really tell y'all because I don't know how y'all eat y'all hot stuff. So me, I can tolerate a lot, and this ain't really that hot. This is good, but the spice level is not as hot as I would like. I do have the black pack that's hotter than this, so I'm gonna try that next time. And also, I ain't gonna wait too late to eat because, baby, I was starving. And I think that's why I can't finish this. But till next time, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is how it came out. Y'all, I am super, super surprised how fat this was. They say you could add a little bit of heavy cream just to give it a little bit more creaminess. So maybe I'll try that next time, y'all. But y'all already know the ingredients is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.